All right. Hey, how y'all doing? This is Crendelacremeinvestments Investments and Wellness back at you again with another video. And today I just wanted to go over with y'all all a breakdown of US30. Okay, this is a trade I took today, a nice buy that I took today. Um, so let's get into it. Just a top-down analysis of US30 real quick. So we're on the daily time frame, as you can see, daily time frame, and we're very bullish. I mean, US30 has pretty much been bullish all of its life, so it wouldn't make for us to be selling in this market too much, unless you have a higher time frame with a lower time frame. So as we can see, we drop down to the 8 hour. We have an order block right here, and so go ahead and hide my markings. All right, we can pretty much ignore everything from here and just start from right here. All right, last week we had a very bearish price action, but as we can see, we have a breaker structure right here. Mark that up. Breaker structure right there. All right. And we also have a order block, 4 hour order block. 4 hours, very powerful. 4 hour, 8 hour order blocks are very powerful in my way of trading. I trade smart money, institutional concepts. In all essence, it's all just retail at the end of the day. But this is the way I prefer to look at the market and and how I prefer to analyze the market. So as we see, we have a 4 hour order block right here. So I went ahead and marked that up. All right. And we also have an 8 hour order block. All right. I use out for hour order blocks. I use green, and then for minute order blocks, I use pink. Okay. But you can use your order blocks however way you want to. So we're just going to keep marking down here. And I'll also have highlighted areas of retail. So this is just areas of liquidity. I'll be bringing out to y'all a lot of different videos of liquidity, but liquidity is essentially just money. So I have different areas of liquidity, and I went ahead and highlighted those orange. So as we can see, we have consolidation. Go ahead and mark that up. Consolidation right in our 4 hour order block, okay? So what I typically look for right here is consolidation right in this area. What I typically look for is a Wyckoff pattern. There's different patterns that you can look for, but I essentially look for a Wyckoff pattern, and it's just pretty much the exchange from the big hands to the small hands to the small hands to the big hands. But you always want to be on the big hand part. All right. So this liquidity was made up here beforehand. So I knew the market had to come back up here to take out these equal highs because that's where the money is resting. So as we can keep dropping down, a minute here. All right, so as we can keep dropping down, we also see an order block along with imbalance. And just this is another example of how patient you have to be in the market. Okay, so we have all my personal confirmations. I'm not willing to go over with you with my confirmations right now. You will have to buy my ebook that will be coming out. But as you can see here, we have an order block with imbalance and also liquidity resting above. So I went ahead and placed a buy right here. As you can see, it came up, came back down, came up, came back down, and actually came back down and created another institutional move along with the order block, also clearing liquidity again. As you can see, I'm still in this play because it has not took me out yet. It has not took me out. So create some more liquidity right here. All right. And to me, that is a breaker structure, especially when we have a liquidity above and we're just in a buying market. As you can remember, we're in a 4 hour order block right here. So I'm looking for buys in a very bearish market. So as you can see, it comes up and makes another institutional move with another order block inside. That's all my confirmations are there. So I'm willing to take a buy again. So now I'm in this buy and in this buy. As you can see, this buy went up to about a 6 to 1, about 5.89 to 1. And that's why I love US30 because you can get such that I'm only risk, well, that one's a little high, but I'll risk about 30 pips there to get 110 pips. And this one actually is still running. Almost came back to break even right here. Almost, I thought it was gonna come knock me out right here, but I've now moved my stop loss right above this one. on this trade. So this is running about what's that? Yeah, about a 10 to 1 right now. 10 to 1 stop loss right here. I might actually move my stop loss right here. Because you just want to secure it. Even if I've already secured a good bit of partials, you always want to secure the bag. And yeah, I just wanted to go over y'all with my great buy setup that I seen on an institutional time frame, and institutional order blocks and institutional moves, and just a better perspective to get a greater risk reward. I get these all the time. As you can see, that's risking 10 points on US 30. You never really hear about 10 points on US 30. But yeah, that's just showing in the also the discipline that you must have, because we came up, came back down, and came up again. As you can see, those two wicks right there. Yep, see, it's 2 weeks. Had to have some patience to leave your trade in, because you never know what this market's going to do. Just once you um, set your risk and you set your take profit, you take partials along the way, and you don't move your stop loss until personally until it gets to a next structural break, which is already a take profit area for me. Um, and yeah, just a key to good risk management, a key to higher time frame learning, and an introduction to institutional moves. All right, definitely. So this has been Crendelacreme. And I will definitely be getting back to y'all with a lot more videos. I'll get back to y'all with vlogs. I'll get back to y'all with a lot of different things. A lot of different things. All right.